Hey folks, this is Rohit Barulkar. As you have seen the title, this video is about cryptocurrency. As you are seeing all around, there's a hype of cryptocurrency. So before investing in it, let's talk about it. So this video is the first video of my cryptocurrency series, and so without wasting more time, let's get into it. So, what is cryptocurrency? Let's break this concept into two words: cryptography and currency. I hope you all know about currency. So let's talk about cryptography. You might have heard the word steganography or Morse code. These are the techniques where secret data, is hidden into ordinary files or messages to avoid the detection of it, and then this data is extracted at the receiver level. Similar to this concept is cryptography. Here, there are mathematical codes which are used to convert a plain text into coded series. So now, if we put together all this, cryptocurrency is a digital currency backed by cryptography. Some of the features of it are: it is a secured online payment through decentralized network of large computers, and as it is a digital currency, it is intangible in nature and independent. So some examples of cryptocurrencies are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, and Ripple. Some important features of cryptocurrency are: first one is decentralized. Um, as we are using fiat money, which is controlled and regulated by our RBI, so this cryptocurrency has no such central authority. It works on peer-to-peer network of computers, just like as we use our torrent. As I have said, there is no central regulatory body controlling this crypto, and also it is not legal tender in India still now. So look before you invest. And also, as there is no central regulatory body for this cryptos, it is free from political influence. And the second feature is secure, as it cryptocurrency uses the technology called blockchain technology. There are less chances of getting hacked because of it, because all this blockchain technology takes the data of transaction and it is available anywhere at any time for the general public. So that's it for this introduction video. uh, I'll talk more about blockchain technology and advantages and disadvantages of cryptocurrency in later videos. So stay tuned, keep learning. Thanks for watching.
बजे भाई की तो भाई मेरे झूमते रे चल, मेरे झाई की दवाई भाई ढूंढते हुए चल, सीन लावा बावा बावा मेरा कॉल करे बोले थोड़ा बसते है बता भाई ढूंढ